The Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission has released the admit card for the State Service and State Forest Service 2020 preliminary exam on July 12, 2021. Candidates who successfully submitted the online application form of Madhya Pradesh State Service and State Forest Service can download the admit card by visiting the official website mppsc.nic.in. Careers 360 brings to you the steps to download the admit card. First and foremost, candidates will have to visit the official website and click on the link titled Admit Card State Service and State Forest Service Preliminary Examination 2020. A new page will open which will ask for candidates' login credentials such as application number and date of birth along with the verification code. After entering these details, aspirants will have to click on the Login tab and the admit card of MPPSC State and Forest Services Examination 2020 will appear on the screen. Candidates will have to read all the instructions mentioned on the admit card and download the PDF format. It is advised to download at least 2 to 3 copies and keep it safe so that in case of missing, they do not have to worry. If there are any discrepancies in the admit card of MPPSC 2020, candidates can also contact the exam officials between 8:30 am to 8:30 pm on 0755 6720 and raise their query. Aspirants who successfully download the admit card will have to carry it to the exam center on the day of the exam. Along with the admit card, they will also have to carry one original government issued photo ID like Aadhaar card, voter ID, driving license, passports, etc. Failing to do so, they will not be permitted to enter the exam hall. Candidates must adhere to the COVID-19 protocols while appearing for the exam. Some mandatory rules to be followed include wearing of mask, carrying hand sanitizer in a transparent bottle, and maintaining social distance of 6 feet between people. MPPSC aspirants must not carry any electronic gadgets like smartphone, wearables such as smartwatch, Bluetooth earphones to the exam center. Apart from these, they must not carry any book, notes or any other kind of literature inside the exam hall premises. They must cooperate with the exam center officials for the smooth functioning of the MPPSC State and Forest Services Examination 2020.